Hello friend, how are you doing today? This is Puya from puyayoga.com. Today we are outside in the nature. We want to breathe more, get more oxygen, improve the blood flow, and improve the posture. Get a band, a shawl or something similar. Grab it as wide as your hips with your palms facing forward. Here, with inhale, go all the way up and back. With exhale, down. You see, my chest is all the way opening. We are outside in nature, so you can breathe deeper, get that pure oxygen into your lungs, and exhale. At least for a minute. In, all out. In, out. It's also amazing to get just a few minutes of sunshine on your face, on your body. Connect back to the nature. Few more rounds. Inhale, exhale. In, out. That beautiful smile on your face. Also inhale, fully open, exhale. Try to reach your limit here when you are going up and back to give your shoulders, chest, and posture a good stretch. In, out. Amazing. Last one. And relax. Amazing. Only a few minutes of exercises in order to boost your energy, in order to reverse that hours of sitting, the pain, the tension in your back and spine. If you are interested in a longer course, I have the Office Fit course in my profile link. You can just find it here in the description below. I see you very soon.